Did you see it? A glowing streak racing across the Arizona sky on Sunday night left people wondering, UFO, meteor, something else? Well, the truth is just as exciting. That mysterious light was a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, carrying a fresh batch of Starlink satellites into orbit. Here's how Arizona got front row seats to a spectacular show. Phones lit up across the valley and beyond as people spotted the glowing plume. From Buckeye to Dewey to Phoenix, Arizonans looked up and saw a shimmering trail cutting across the twilight. It wasn't a plane, and definitely not aliens. It was rocket science, literally, and one of the most visible launches from California in months. Here's what happened. On September 28, 2025, SpaceX launched another mission from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The rocket, a Falcon 9 carrying 28 Starlink satellites to low Earth orbit. This wasn't just any Falcon 9. The booster supporting the flight had already flown 27 times before, making this its 28th launch, setting yet another reusability milestone. After liftoff, the rocket arced high above the Pacific and its exhaust plume lit up in the fading sunlight. That's the spectacular glow Arizona residents witnessed. So why could you see it so clearly hundreds of miles away? The secret lies in timing and atmosphere. As the rocket rose into the upper atmosphere, its exhaust gases expanded and caught the sunlight, even though the ground below was already dark. The result? A glowing, jellyfish-like trail that can stretch across entire states. That's why social media lights up after many West Coast launches. Arizona, Nevada, and even Utah often get the best views. Beyond the light show, this mission had a purpose. SpaceX's Starlink program is building a massive constellation of satellites to beam internet service down to Earth. From remote ranches in Arizona to ships at sea, Starlink aims to connect people who traditional broadband leaves behind. Every launch like this one expands that network, bringing global coverage closer to reality. After delivering the satellites, the Falcon 9 booster wasn't done. It turned around and landed safely on the drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, in the Pacific Ocean. Think about it. A 15-story rocket stage, flying back from space, landing on a moving platform in the ocean, and then getting ready to fly again. That's what makes the Falcon 9 so revolutionary. For Arizona, this was more than a news headline. It was a shared experience. Families came outside, neighbors pointed and laughed, kids asked questions about space. Moments like this remind us how close space exploration really is to everyday life. It's not just happening at NASA or SpaceX, it's happening above our backyards. So, the next time you see strange lights streaking across Arizona skies, look up. You just might be watching the future of space unfold. What did you think when you first saw the lights? Drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. And if you enjoy space news made simple, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big sky event. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.